Shit, man. Fuck. How the fuck I'm gonna do this? Damn. Okay. I see you. What's up? J-Town Production. J-Town ENT. 5'8", nigga. And we do this. Damn. Okay. Stepped out the house, jumped off the porch, grabbed the 40, made sure it's cocked, safety off. Nigga better not trip. If a nigga pull up, they gon' have to dip. I ain't playing with these niggas, get up on my hood. I'm a hood ass nigga and I do it good. Catch me on the block, catch me in the J. Just look for me, just fucking play. I ain't gon' play with you nigga coming out the cut. Now you're irking off fast, tryna hit the cut, tryna hit the dash, but I got that ass. Automatic pump, made him hit the grass. Caught in the yard, flipped over. Damn, what's going on? This my hood, I burnt it up, but I don't give a fuck, we do this shit. Police out anyway, my nigga, we do this shit. I'm a hood nigga, smoking on that good nigga. You got beef, then meet me in my hood nigga. Meet me on J rollin' West Florissant. We can get it crackin', we can get retarded. Catch me on the block, catch me with the Glock. Catch me with my goons outside and they cock. Glock cock back. Get your ass back before you get your ass smacked with the barrel of this pump. You don't want the beef, you a fucking chump. Come up in my hood, you gon' meet this pump. Meet the barrel of it, get your ass down. Bustin' with that chopper, it's gon' make a sound. Bustin' with that 9, but it got a silencer. If you want that beef, my nigga, just follow us. Get behind our whip, follow us to the zone. You know where we gone to, the J. Meet us in the back of the old Snooks, so we can fucking play with them K's. I'm hiding behind a car dumping, man. It don't matter to me, I'ma make it out, man. And you not. My niggas on the roof and shit. So you better stop playing, cause we dumping this shit. And we don't play. We ain't playing this year. It's 2010, man. These niggas want my head. Damn. Fucking around, shooting out and shit. Fuck 'em. We gon' do it every way. Every way. Anywhere. It's pistol play. Fuck it. Do this shit over nothing. It ain't shit. I do this, nigga. Get at me if you can, nigga. Don't find me wrong, Jason.